Everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own Journal KDP design for a book that you're going to be publishing on Amazon. For this video, we're going to be using Canva, and before we begin, we do need to get some information. So, we're going to open up our Google Chrome browser and write KDP sizes. From there, if you give this a second, what size should my KDP book be? Width must be within 4 to 8.5 centimeters, height must be within 6 to 15. 6 to 15, 6. Yeah, so we're going to do the biggest we can. We're going to do 21.59 and by 29.69. Nice. And after that, we simply want to write KDP template. And we're going to go to images. And we're just going to take this one right here, for example. And we're going to copy the photo. Next up, we're going to be opening up canva.com. And make sure to log in. I'm already logged in, if I'm not mistaken. So right here, as our canvas loading, let me close this. What we simply want to do is press on create a design. And custom size is what we're going to be pressing on. So from here, once it brings us up, width, let's go check that out. 21.59. And make sure you change this into centimeter. .59, I believe. And 29.69. So once we've done that, we're going to press on create new design. And we should be into our Canvas tab, ready to start. Oh, I did it backwards. Sorry, guys. So, I actually did it backwards. If you give me a moment, we will resize this and redo it. Okay, so there we go. I've redone it, and it should be correct as of now. So, as you can see, right here, so give me a moment. So now that we're on this page, we're simply gonna paste what we had, so this right here, and I bring it to the top right and just simply drag it all the way. And it should fit. If not, we can stretch it. Just like that. So there we go. From there, what we're going to be doing is just simply pressing on this, and we're going to be making the opacity, oh god, not the zoom, sorry, hold on, the apply colors to this page, I believe. Hold on, I need to figure this out. Sorry, right here. No, we're gonna go to projects. Okay, you know what, never mind. This thing, it was right here. I'm so sorry. So we're gonna press on this, and dude, where is opacity? Okay, oh, yeah, right here. So press on adjust, and we're gonna just bring the, there is no opacity. I'm done with this. I'm joking. Just press on this transparency, and we're gonna make it like 35. So as you can see, now it should look something like this. We can add our content. So we're gonna go to the design tab, and we're gonna write KDP, or flower. Yeah, let's see flower design. something like this for like some little girl in their teenage years, you know? There we go. Now we're just gonna make the opacity of this low as well. I should wait. You know what? We're gonna try something else. This is quite a messed up one. Just no, right here. So let's just do this. So as you can see, we can move the flowers to our likings. And we can change all this really. I think what I'm gonna do is just go to elements and write flower pattern. And I'm just gonna grab, I really did like that one. We'll find something, give me a moment. Yeah, this one right here. This seems quite nice. So we're just gonna put this right here. And we're gonna Control C, Control V, and that will duplicate it. From there, what you can simply do is put it until right here, and it's still not done right. So there we go. I have aligned it, and now we're just gonna and I'm gonna Control V once again. And let me just do this. So just like that. And align it once more. And I believe that should be aligned now. There we go. We're just gonna crop this to the end, and that is the pattern. So now I'm just gonna press on this, and I'm gonna press on group, and there we go. So now if we lower the opacity, as you can see, we can see that. So let's lower the opacity just like that. And here is gonna be the edge of our book. So we're gonna write the title. So I'm gonna upload text, and I'm gonna be like, and here, as you can see, different types of text. Let's do, these are really good ones in my opinion. But I think what I want is like something really, yes, just like this. So we're gonna put this right here, just like that. And we can change the text. The golden flower. What we can do is resize it all. And let's trash here. So we have the golden flower right here. And what we're gonna do is change the text color to gold. And from here, excuse me, I'm gonna be adding a outline. To add an outline, first of all, let's make it bold. You can add effects. So like this or like this, anything really. I'm gonna be adding an outline, so we can obviously change. Actually, hold on, this might look really nice. Yes, so I'm gonna make it like this, the golden flower. Just like that. And let's go back to effects. And you can change the curve right here. I feel like that's suitable, so let me just make it bigger now. Just by tiny margin. There we go. Exactly. Actually, we need it a bit more smaller. Move it to the side. Perfect. So we have the golden flower right here. We're going to go back on effects, and now we can add whatever effect we want. I think I'm going to add this just like that. And we have the golden flower now. So if I were to really like put this opacity back to 100. I could. So let's select everything. This is all the tabs we use, right? So this is it right here. I'm just gonna press on here. For some reason, it's only chosen here. I think it got saved. So basically, don't do that. I mean, you can if you want to. We can get that right back if we need to. There we go. Just like that, the golden flower. And now I'm just gonna quickly check. So that's what it would look like. Let's go back to what we had before. So here is our book margin. So we're gonna grab the text and we're gonna grab the same text actually. I'm gonna duplicate it, go to effects, and the curve we want it at 0. We're gonna rotate it to exactly 90 degrees. And right here it should fit. The golden flower. And you want to write it at the top here, and then we'll have our author's name here. So we're going to add a heading, and we're going to do Gary Jr. I'm going to rotate this. Make this bigger. Junior, there we go. We're going to move this right here. Make it as small as possible. Just like so. Move it over here, and there we go. From here, we're going to press on effects once again. Make it somewhat like this. Change the color to probably, same color as before, gold. And there you go. So Gary Jr. And then here we want a description. So we're gonna add a body of text. The golden flower was. So I'm actually gonna get a script from this for ChatGPT. We now have something written here, some body of text. Bring this to the back right here. And we are gonna be changing the font to archival black. And changing the color to gold once again. Adding effects. Putting the shadow once again. And we're gonna add flower rose on elements, sorry. Pink. See all, and we're gonna be adding a few flowers. I think this one fits the theme perfectly. So I'm gonna place this right here. And I'm gonna grab another one from here. Actually, I'm gonna grab the same one. Put it right up here. And we're gonna do tree branches. We're gonna add a few. Right here. Let's look at some more, see what we can find. So let's find some leaves. I think I'm going to be using this. Let's bring send to the back. Bring forward, there we go. I'm gonna duplicate this. Same thing. And I'm gonna duplicate this here. There we go. So that is quite a nice one. And one more thing we need to add is the author on the front. So I'm gonna add the Scamja Flower text preset. Written by Gary Jr. And we're gonna make it bigger, of course. Bring it right here. Text color white would not work. Probably gold again with the effect. And last but not least, we're gonna be adding that this pattern right here. And now what I'm simply gonna do is send backwards, send backwards, send backwards, send backwards, send backwards. I'm gonna keep doing this until all my elements are here. And now as you can see, I'm gonna bring forward once more. And that is what it looks like. Let's just bring these down. And this is our KDP cover. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.